Hi guys, welcome back once again, and thank you all for staying tuned to this channel, and thank you all for following me on this journey of my AI automation. So the last time I uploaded a video was about my personal automations, the one for LinkedIn, the personal AI assistant I have on my WhatsApp, and my YouTube short automation. And I promise you guys that I'm going to start showing you guys how I build this, the workflow from the beginning to the end, and that is what I'm going to do in this video. So after this video I can talk about other things, but I want to start taking you guys on the real journey now. You understand? Starting you guys on the real journey. So in the next slide now, I'm going to walk you guys through the automation process from the content calendar till the schedule trigger and the rest, and we're going to see the tools that I use to automate this LinkedIn workflow. Please stay tuned. Watch this video to the end. Thank you. So guys, this is my LinkedIn post data. As you can see, I am using Airtable to actually manage my LinkedIn content data. I just use Airtable to store it as my database. So this is the table one, right, where I have the post ID and the post description, and I also have a status which is either in progress, done, or published. So as you can see, all these ones have been published, which means that all these posts over here have been automated and they've been published to my LinkedIn account. So here is an example of what it's going to do. So it's going to take this post idea which says share your prediction on which industry AI will transform next. Then I'm going to send in also the post description. So the AI is going to take these two information, then generate the content on my behalf for me, then also post this on LinkedIn. So here is the LinkedIn post data. Sorry, here's the LinkedIn post data. Then let us look at the automation itself. Let us look at the automation itself. So this is the automation right here on anytime. This is the automation right here on anytime. So as you can see, I have a post for Mondays, right? That posts on 9 a.m. right, on Mondays by 9 a.m. What happens is that I have a schedule trigger that fetches the Airtable. You understand? What it does is that it's going to look for an automation that has not been published yet from the industry of freelancers, then pass this information over here to the AI agent, right? The industry, the problem, and the solution. And this AI agent here is responsible for generating the image prompt. Then at the end of the day, I'm going to use the Pi API to generate the image, send a request, then wait for about 40 seconds. So after I've waited for about 40 seconds, I'm going to get the image tag, then upload the image, then get the image, then create the post right here on LinkedIn. So after this post has been created right here on LinkedIn, and I'm going to use this Airtable node also to mark it as published. As you can see, here's the status of the post. I'm going to mark this as published on my LinkedIn. So I have this one for freelancers, I have this one for healthcare, I have this one for law firms. So back to the LinkedIn post data. This is where those automations are coming from. So this is for freelancers, right? I have a Notion link, the problem and the solution that the AI agent is going to talk about, and it's going to generate a post on it, then post it. I have the one for healthcare also. I've created a Notion link about the automation itself, then the problem and the solution steps, and it goes ahead and publish it. I have the one for law firms and I have the one for real estate firms. So for this post data here, this is the automation here that is running this. So this is the automation here that is running. So it posts this by 1 p.m. You understand? Like what it does is it looks for a post that has a status of not published, which is probably going to be the last problem because this is not published. So when next this other automation is going to run, it's going to go ahead and choose this post data over here at line 53, then fetches it. So let us execute this step to see. So as you can see, we have local tech scene, why your city is becoming the next tech hub, and this is it over here. So after that, it passes it to this AI agent. It generates the prompt, it generates the content. This AI agent generates the image. So let us run this. This AI agent generates the image and it creates the image. This generates the image prompt. Then I send the image over here. Then upload it on LinkedIn using this LinkedIn node. Then after that, we then mark these as uploaded. We change the status to published. It's just as simple as that. As you can see, it ran successfully. So this was the image generated by the AI model I'm using to generate the image. So this post has been generated successfully, and if you come back here, you can see that it has been marked as published. So that's just the automation running my LinkedIn. So I'm going to refresh right here. I'm going to refresh so that we can see the post that was just published for us right now. So I'm going to refresh, and you can see this is the post over here, right? This is the post over here, as simple as that. So that's it, guys. That's the LinkedIn automation that I've been handling my LinkedIn account for me. See you guys in the next video. So thank you for watching the video to this end. So as you can see how I set up the LinkedIn automation from the content calendar, so you get the AI to generate the content and the image generation also before I then upload it to LinkedIn. So there's something I'm going to be showing you guys also in the next video, which is an advanced and automated job application system. Yes, it can apply to over 100 jobs in a matter of minutes. So in that video, I'm going to walk you guys through everything the same way I did over here, the workflows and the rest, and I can even drop a link down to where you can get the workflow file. So thank you for watching. Bye again.